In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install TikTok on your computer or on your laptop. My name is Isaac, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, the easiest way and the best way to interact with TikTok social media app is to go ahead and download the program straight onto your computer. Now, to do that, you'll need to go ahead and look for Microsoft Store on your computer, and here it is down here. If you go ahead and click on it, proceed and sign up for a free account, and then you'll be able to see TikTok here. Now, in case you don't see this TikTok app here, head up here under search and then just search for your app. And here you will see we have TikTok already available. Go ahead and click on get it. And then this will start downloading your app on your computer. The download should take like a minute and it will be done. Once it is done, now you can proceed and click on open to launch your TikTok app straight on your computer. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.